Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to talk about Ari Wallet. This particular wallet have been trending online on Twitter. So in this video I'm going to talk about it. You might have heard about it, or you're already participating on it, or this is your first time of hearing it. So in this video I'm going to show you and explain to you how you are going to start, how you're going to farm and mine the points, or farm the points, and how you're going to do the daily task. First of all, what exactly is Ari Chain? According to them, is a layer 1 project, and the first thing you are going to do is for you to download the app from your Apple Store or Play Store. You earn a point by downloading and completing your daily check, inviting your friends through referral code. You just have to do these 3 things, which is, first of all, you have to download the app, and you have to do daily check and quiz, just like a question and answer, and you have to invite friends. That is all. So let's go over to Play Store to download the app. So let's go over to Apple Store to download the app. This Apple Store. Let me go over to the search area and let me type in Ari Chain Wallet. Let me do that right away. And you can see it at the upside, at the first side. So let me go over to it right now. What you have to do now is for you to go over to Get, and the app is going to be installed to your phone. It will take much time and it will be done. So it's done downloading. So let me go over to Open, and there is Ari Wallet, and you can see testnet, and at the downside is mainnet, and it's saying coming soon. So let me go over to testnet. Let me go over there, and here is for you to log in. So I don't have any account, and I'm going over to sign up. For me to sign up, let me go over to sign up, and for you to sign up you have to agree to the terms and condition, and let me go over to agree to all the terms and conditions. And after doing that, you have to go over to continue. You have to go over to next there. Let me go over to next, and at this place is for you to, which is the step 2, is for you to sign up. And what they need is your email, and they're going to send you an email verification. And at your password side, they're going to put in your password, which must contain an uppercase, a number, a symbol. The first alphabet of your password must come with capital letter, and you're going to go over to referral code. Yes, and put your referral code and put in your password. You're going to check in your password. So over here I'm trying to fit this thing. You're going to arrange these alphabets here. I have done that, and they're going to send me an email to my phone. Let me do okay. So let me go over to my email to get in the code, and I'll put it over here. Let me go over to email. So this is my email, and what I'm going to do here is for me to copy the code which was sent to me, and let me go over and paste it there. And when you are done with this, you have to go over to your password and put in your password, which must contain alphabet, number, symbol, and uppercase. And when you are done with that, go over to referral and put in the referral. I'm going to put my referral code at the description, and let me go over to OK. As you can see, I've signed in. You can see daily check, and it's done. And it's very simple for you to create an account, and what you have to be doing just for you to come here every day for your daily check-in, for your tax, and for you to refer more people here, and your Ari coin is going to increase. So the more you come daily, the more your Ari coin is going to increase. Yeah, they gave me 30 Ari coin, so the next day it will increase to 40, 50, 60. As much as you are doing it will be increasing. And let me show down. So this is the Ari Wallet here, and this one is very special. You don't have to go to Telegram, you just have to complete your task here. Here is the task which you have to do for you to gain more Ari coin, which is Ari Chain X Twitter mission. You have to take you to Twitter, where you have to like or comment in any of their posts, and your daily check-in and your daily quiz, which is a question. They're going to ask you a question. So let me go over to Ari Chain X Twitter mission and to like their post, and you can see you have over 50,000 likes, which is very massive. and let me go over, and it's showing done. And let me go over to the daily quiz. I think you doing daily quiz, you're going to receive Ari coin, and this is the question. You getting the right answer, you're going to receive coin. So guys, you can see it's very simple for you to create an account on Ari Wallet. Ari chain wallet task is very easy for you to do, and is easy, you don't have to do much. And you can see they have a lot of engagement on Twitter. Their like and their view is very massive, and it's one of the most trending mining in town. And guys, this is the end of this video. I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time.